Leo unaona, leo masa trade imetupata. Sound echo. I can see around 4 people on this stream. So hizi ni zile sell limits tulieka jana, ndo zimekuwa activated some few minutes ago. So let's wait and see how they are going to perform. Just going to be patient and see how it's going to perform. Hey, but it trades hiyo mbona imetuamsha leo hivi mapema. Imekuwa activated way earlier. David Oka iko poa hapo chonjo. Acha just 1 minute I'll be back. But pia chat ziko clear, entries, everything. So for now we just getting patience. And I'm expecting the candle that will break down below this low. It will be a waterfall. No, after breakout below 64, around 64,600, I'm expecting a very sharp move towards the down. But for now, we just troll these cells. Is this screen still blank? Is the screen still blank? Nice. So for analysis, tulifanya jana, but wasewa leo, that was a breakout from that zone. So I marked that zone, and I was expecting a pullback to that zone because it was a fresh fair value gap with a candle without a top wick. So I retest there, I had the limits, and I'm targeting a breakout below 64,600. Now that we have the liquidity on that fair value gap, we might easily break 64,60, around 64,600. Then our target is 63,700, around 63,700 there. So guys, unajua hata ndo nimeamka tu, sina bado niko hivi kwa kichwa, but we are going to do this stream regardless. So I'm coming back just few minutes from now. Oh, Apostle, kumbe ulikuwa unataka kuniwekea coffee, hata ndo nilikuwa nataka kuendea askari, but nilikuwa niwaambia I'm leaving the stream open. Few minutes I'll be back. So wase wa kahawa, wase wa maziwa, wase wa nini nini, 94 45 30 64. So let me go take nini. Let me go take nitaka kuchukua skari hapa chini kwa shop, then I will be back. But unajua trading it's all about patience. Ni venye nimeamka tu nikapata trade ishafika limit zetu, so nikamwa niingie live. But unajua uzuri ya stream, naweza acha hapa stream ikiendelea. Nyi watu nyi pia najua mwalimu kwa maybe mmeingia hizo trade, so nyi pia mnaangalia how the trades are going. But tutaiongelea, we'll talk about the trade deeply in a short while, but for now acha niende nichukue kaskari hivi nikunywe kahawa, then we dive into this thing fully. Neimo vipi? Good morning my G. Acha nataka kuchukua ka breakfast hivi alafu na kama nilikuwa nimeenda kupika chai jikoni, nimepata askari haiko. Imeisha So price is back at our entry zone. But we have our stop loss intact. So let me take some tea. I'm coming back. I'll be back. So the last 15 candle has closed as bullish engulfing. So you just hold. You just hold. There's nothing you can do much.
anything you want and track it until it arrives in minutes.
Ndio kutoka live.
Stream inaendelea na sio? Hapa kidogo. Jua yako niambie. Jua. Ukiona jua niambie. Hata saa 4 hapo saa 5 inaweza aka. My people, my stream people. Mic testing. So we are just waiting. Just wait and see. But this candle will close in 2 minutes. This 15-minute candle will close in 2 minutes time. Hapa ni kungoja. We don't know how atujui ita close aje, but how it will close inaweza play a bigger part of continuation of price delivery or price distribution. So the candle will be closing in 1 minute. So I think ime close bearish. So because today is Friday, end of the week, acha ninge live TikTok ndo wasi wa TikTok pia wa tune in to this trade. Let me make sure they tune into this trade. So, guys on TikTok, our sell limit orders have been activated. Hopefully everyone aliziset na tuko ndani ya trade pamoja. Sagara, I'm doing good. Rurinja, very nice. Keith, mona Keith pia amejoin. Karisa ametune in. How many Royal Window huyo ashaamka? Good morning. Ghost of Kenya joined. So, hata sikuwa na plan kuingia live this early, but trade ndo iliniamsha after orders zishakuwa activated. Nikaingia stream YouTube, nikaenda ka breakfast ndo nimerudi. So we still holding the sales. So long as we have stop loss intact, nothing to fear. Ndo ile trade. Those guys who are on yesterday's stream or live, after the breakout tulieka hapo limit orders, sell limit. So at some point you are holding on a drawdown, at some point on profits back at break even, but we are just playing around our zone. But if we break here again like yesterday, we must reach here. If we break here again like yesterday, we must reach here. So yesterday we broke here, and I told you after breaking here, expect a continuation of downward delivery. So we have retested the zone. So expect further distribution after this low. So if you break up, it will go and create a new low. This was the manipulation move. Here was all of this was consolidation. Mtu alisela hapa viewers. Mtu alisela hapa, stop losses zinapaila hapa. John hapa ni breakout na unretested fair value gap. So right now we have enough liquidity to push even downwards. And the reason we are confident with ourselves at the moment, to may sweep liquidity above these two equal highs, to may retest a fair value gap, a breakout zone, and we are reacting positively. So if we can close inside this fair value gap, the next stop is the swing low. If we break this swing low, the next stop is this swing low. If we can break this, this and this, the next stop is this, and we call it a Friday. And we call it a Friday. But mkoaje? It is Bitcoin. Guys, even gold, I feel like gold will be dropping today. Gold will be dropping today. Alafu usisahau pia kuna kuanga na ile nini? Kuna kuanga na ile nini inaitwa aje? Nasema ni analogy. Like kuna kuanga ama myth, basi acha nitumie myth. Kuna kuanga na ile myth fulani huwa wanasema towards the end of the week. So tuseme tu Thursday na Friday, hiyo si ndo towards the end of the week. Institutions huwa wanatoa pesa, like in short huwa wana sell off their orders. So in short liquidity ina exit market. Market inakuwa fefu. So kuna high likelihood wiki kienda kuisha market itakuwa inashuka sana. Like most Fridays are bearish days. In short, so unapata ma Fridays mingi unapata market inashuka sana than venye inafaa ipande. Na ukipata inapanda kuna catalyst, either news, Twitter, tweet. But vitu zikibaki constant venye ziko at the moment, Bitcoin will fall. Enda angalia, ukitaka kujua ita fall, enda angalia oil. Price of crude oil for the first time imerudi tena above $100 a barrel. But oil pia tulikulia. Nani anakumbuka day tulikuwa na trade oil? Tulibuy from 70s tukatokea around 117 120 hapo. Tuko 1 month, Ezron, day 31. Day 31, so that's 1 month. Brent na WTI, those are the symbols for crude oil. Rada gold, I feel like gold will be dropping. Hey, Lichman rada, umetype tu number na ukasema cash 30. Leo Temu wa Lichman anataka salasa. Sasa salasa ni ya nini? Temu Lichman wants 30 bob. Tumeona na tukutumi juwe si Lichman. Tumeona na tukutumi. Mohammed, you are not hungry, you know that. Unaweza afford data na ukose pesa ya kuchakula shwali. Like guys, you can't be affording wifi and you are sleeping hungry. Hizi ni logic tu. Like mtu ameenda shule kidogo hivi ukafika form 4 hivi. Kuna 1+1 unajuanga tu. Chemo ukienda kila live ukicomment hivi ujakula wakutumie 100. Na wajua watu wengi mtu kama Gramo anakuwa na roho nyepesi. Ashikwe na nini akutumie. Wendo upate mse kama tuseme nani mwingine. Lichman anaweza kutumia. Abeid anaweza kama Abeid amelima TP anaweza kutumia, atakuhurumia kutumia 100 200 500. Abeid anatumanga 500 mostly. Luxa kuwekea ingine. Wewe niambie kwa siku, si mtu hata anaweza kuwa anaunda tao daily kwa wiki yako na tao 7. Wiki mbili 14 kwa mwezi karibu 30k. Na ujue ni ya kucomment tu hapa online. Ana comment tu online. Mash VX, very nice. Hii setup hata tuliingia jana. Hizi maseleme tukiangalia kwa community, ukiangalia na our last stream zilikuwa za jana. So ni leo tu ndo trade imefika hapo. Ju trade imefika na mimi niliwaambia I must stream my trades. Today my appetite imeniambia risking $100 is okay. That's the risk part. But no, my appetite hapo kama sioni kitu kama 600 hivi sifungi. He said it's giving me a roughly 600 plus or it blows that $100. In fact, my stop loss is 65,540. The moment I added one extra 0.1 position, stop loss ilitoka from 65,617 ikashuka to 65,540. But hiyo inishtui. If you are on the stream, hiyo inishtui because everything is confirming a bearish move. Kwanza hii bullish engulfing, nilikwambia like wao wanawekea traps. SMC watakangi price iende tu hivyo, wanawekea traps. So when nimeona bullish engulfing ilikuwa the second candle iende juu, ndo imaanishe hii bullish engulfing ni ya ukweli, ni bullish engulfing. Lakini ukitaka kujua ni bullish engulfing ya kutrap bulls, unaona kenye imefanya, ime bullish engulf, tukapata candle moja ya bearish candle next ni bearish candle. Sasa the third candle kama itakuwa bearish, kuna ile likelihood inaweza ruka ndani ya fair value gap. Ikikosa kureact from the fair value gap, that means ime invalidate the fair value gap. Itataka kwenda kwa the next POI, which is the next swing low. Ikibreak out the next swing low, tunaenda kwa the following one. Na kwa nini unasema price ni rahisi break hizo swing lows? Angalia imeenda imechukua mafuta. Yes, mali break out, mali kulikuwa na fair value gap, break up block, name them. Watu wa maline wangekuwa wamechora hapo maline mingi, amekuwekea RSI. Royal V, leo nimesota. Ndio tumeamkia trading. Kuza, ukitaka kuona screen, enda YouTube stream. Screen ya nini? Tuambiane tu kweli, screen ya nini? Ushambi wa limit orders malulieka, trade ishakuwa activated, iko na stop loss, iko na TP. Sieni tuangaliane tukiongea kitu inaweza kusaidia wewe kama retail trader. Gold spot jana imesela. Hii ndio chart ndio kuangalia. There is nothing good with this one. Hapa tu itashinda imemove venye na moving na pande ikishuka na pande ikishuka, but eventually it will go towards the common buyers which we were selling. We were selling. Mtu anatumia hii kama bullish move hii. Ati tuko bullish. Inafaa ujue price inafanya nini? Price inaendea liquidity. Liquidity kwa hapa. Hiyo ni ma stop losses za hawa so nini? Breakout zone. Nice. How many minutes to close? Around tuko 8:43. Unaanza kuflip leni ni copy. Museveni. Si hiyo kuna account ina run saa hii. And I think hii account ni ya copy trading. Kuna account ya copy trading ina run saa hii. Pair it's BTCUSD. Bitcoin. Kuna mtu alikuwa muuliza mbona gold imesell hivyo jana. So with gold the day before yesterday gold ilipanda mbaya. So in the process we inaacha gaps and inefficiencies side nyingine. So anything is a trigger a bearish structure shift, itataka iende ikifilizo inefficiencies. Alafu Iran ikalipua meli State of Hormuz, na Trump alisema Iran pa meli, Iran imelipua analipua madaraja manini hizo ma infrastructure. Binary ni mafraud. Binary ni mafraud. So what we want to say, we don't want this price we don't want this price to hold above that green fair value gap. If you hold above, we might easily hit our SL. We don't want the price to hold above that fair value gap. If you hold above, we might easily hit our SL. We want a candle to close at least inside that fair value gap. But we are not good. Just hold. Any statement made by Trump or Iran might trigger our SL or TP. King Broly. Me, I'm already inside the cells. So price action ina happen after nisha ingia. Ina happen after nisha ingia. You know, once you enter a trade ni kungoja tu. Mzee vipi? Acha nitoe hii mic. Mimi amkafiti.
Ndio umefinya.
Hata nilikuwa nimeweka ma limit orders ndio zimekuwa activated hii mangware. Nikasema juleo ni Friday na umeshapata end. Unajua Friday unaweza kosa hata end kabisa. Nikasema bwana end ishaingia, acha tu stream tuone kama tuna ITSL kama ni TP. But tulikuwa tushaifanyia analysis na juu imefika tuogope kufinya. So inaweza buy tena. To be honest, inaweza buy, but mi sioni kama kuna anything yenye itafanya ibuy from where the price is at the moment. Like immediately a price has retest the zone that it previously broke it out. It can easily now go and break the next POI, which is the swing low. But let's wait and see. Hatuwezi jua mali price itaenda. TP ko wapi? So you can target 64,600 and 63,708. 64,600 and 63,708. I think they are ideal TP zone. SL like around 65,617. Lot go inside day 31. 1 month in. So the candle has opened. Chani weke setup. Nitawekea wapi? Guys, sina kitu inaweza shika hii sehemu muone setup. But from there I'm expecting massive sales. Although price doesn't move in a straight line. Any Bitcoin. So the candle imeopen, it's closer to our entry. Iko around our entry zone. Imeputa line. Kitu hakuna kitu ya kushika simu.
Weka signal kwa group ya Telegram. Ni join copy trading. Mwambie wa join copy trading.
Guys, make sure you join copy trading, copy Fessie Trades. Make sure you are copying Fessie Trades. Kama wewe ni high risk high reward investor. Unaona kitu kama $100 to 600 hiyo ni high risk high reward investor. And make sure you tune into our streamer. Naona kuna kitu ya kushika simu ndo tukue kwa our stream, but the entry was shared. I shared the entry. The exit, SLTP, sir. But we are just holding. We are live. If we hit SL, we call it a day. If we hit our targets, we call it a day. Currently, we are trading around 65 to 57. So, acha tungoje tuone how this 15M will close. If it will close bearish, good for us. But price is trading just a little lower below our entries. Nini inawasumbua leo? Anyone who has already blown an account? After all, we are learning where SLTP life. Yeah, BK. Very, very true. If we hit SL, we learn through the process. If we hit our targets, also we are learning through the process. So, a stop loss or a target is neither one is bad or good. Because that's the order of the business in forex trading. So the current candle imeanza kuturn bearish. What we want to see, we want this candle to close inside that fair value gap. Ndio tutakuwa very confident start of the next hour open. They say likely the distribution will continue downward. Especially if we can manage to close inside that fair value gap. It will give sellers more confidence. And now buyers will be, hey, what's happening? My break even, boom, boom, boom. Those are liquidities. How about gold? Looks low umechapa analysis ya gold. Milo sijaangalia, si uchapia waka analysis kidogo. Watu hawana bias.
Kila market especially yenye USD is the quote currency iko on a bearish trend. So number one, don't look for buys. That will be a very huge mistake. If you are looking for buys, then trust me, you are going to lose money, or you are going to hit stop loss eventually. So let me see on gold. This is the chart. Price created a very interesting zone around 40.52 to 40.38. It broke to the downside. Now it's creating a zone between 40.31 and 40.24. So probably, let me look for you the area of interest. Our next area of interest is actually around 39.43 to 3800. That is where we are targeting the price to go next on gold. So we are looking for selling opportunities. So don't jump to sell. Don't jump to sell. For as much as we've said we are targeting 39.43. Let me go back to M15. You wait for price to come, tap 40.36. So we are going to sell gold from 40.36, or you can place your sell orders at 40.36. Remember, today is a Friday. Fungua camera to one chart.
Only 40.
Okay. Just a minute. I'm going to the chart. Just a minute. Lux USD JPY is proving otherwise, bro. You know, USD JPY is not similar to XAU USD or BTC USD. Just know USD is now the base currency. It is the first pair, and it is competing against another currency, that is JPY. It is not like gold and USD, so don't expect them to move the same. But I'm giving you the entry on the chart in a few. Let me open my machine. Guys, you're making me wake up this early, guys. So anyway, for those who are in on the sales on BTC USD, just hold on there. Today is on a Friday and everybody must make money. Everybody. Fungua camera to one chart. Let me open the chart for you. But the market is overall bearish. Do not look for any buying opportunities in the markets unless you want to go home. If you want to compare a currency pair like XAU USD, you just compare with something like Nasdaq. That is number one. And USD itself. You compare it. The people who are trading BTC USD, we say close inside the fair value gap, and it is proving otherwise. So 4 minutes to close. At anyone with a verified Binance DM, bro. Hizi scams bado mnazipiga. Watu kila mtu ako na Binance iko verified. No one is stupid. Everyone has a verified Binance because you cannot use Binance if it is not verified. So just look for another way.
Ona kwanga wakora.
Nani anaongea? It is Lux talking.
Leo general trend ya market mingi yote wenye umewambia kina Goro, so long as USD uko mwisho, they are more bearish than bullish. So that alone, ukitafuta inaonyesha mtu anatafuta sell akona kitu kama 70% chances ya kukua correct. Mtu anatafuta buy akona 30% chances ya kukua correct.
Kumbuka tuna expect, we also expect the tensions between Trump and Iran to continue. So I don't know what Trump is going to do today, but I'm 100% sure
He'll do something.
Something is going to happen. On Fridays, I'm very sure. That one I cannot miss. I can even go to Polymarket and say Trump is going to say bomb today, or Trump is going to tweet about Iran. So I'm 100% sure. Or even mention the Strait of Hormuz.
Guys, I'm doing good. The fact that kina BlackRock pia jana waku invest into Bitcoin shows the Unajua kaa kuna hiyo bullish bias, huu unasikia big companies zina invest, zina buy, but wako dala. Alafu ukiangalia geopolitical kuna escalation. So a new 1H is almost opening in 3 minutes. So hatujui bias ya hiyo 1H itakuwa nini, hadi time ita open. Guys, I hope you guys are doing good. So acha tuendi live ya nini ya TikTok. Guys, make sure you tune in to our stream. Juu huko we can be there for live for longer period of time. Hatuna wasiwasi ya sijui simu itakuwa moto. No, those are gadgets that are built for that specific purpose. Alafu we learn through the process.
Acha niwapatie entry ya gold.
Wazi wape kwanza entry. And make sure you join our Telegram community to get the exact entry point and exit points.
Unaingia sahi live. Fessie Trades.
Very nice.
Trading view, mtu akiamka asubuhi ni kama itaki kufungua.
Nasema trading view bado haijaamka, inashanga unaniamsha na London nijafika.
Lazima niamshe mie down.
Mimi limit orders imeguzwa hivi, imebidi niamke.
Kumbuka we have the same setup. That is the good thing. If you have the same setup, I make money, you also make money. Fessie makes money, you also make money.
Yeah.
Hey, the new candle ya 15 imefunguka.
Isha open.
Push on the downside.
Isha open.
How you gonna close?
Una stream YouTube Fessie 7 ya Festus we are on YouTube. Make sure when you subscribe to the channel, turn on notification. Juangi limit order yako itaguzwa saa ngapi. Unaona kaza jana zimeguzwa leo asubuhi. After zimekuwa tap tukaingia stream. Ndo to document your trade tuone itaenda aje. Because we gave out yesterday the trade, the limit orders. Because they have been tapped, si to stream to learn na hiyo kanini. In case iende kwa SL, still we will have learned with the setup. Ikienda kwa TP, also have learned with the setup. But this time you get the reward. The other time we get a lesson. So this is a 1H open. A new 1H open. Nadi gold niko na like almost everyone knows gold itashuka. Shida ni kujua itashukia from wapi. Hadi mimi na feel gold itashuka massively.
Hebu niweke kwa big screen.
Kidogo ni set nini. Kuna venye nafaa ni set. Acha nirudishe board guest. Leo tinakuanga wapi? kitu sijui iko wapi. But naipata tu saa hii. Naponga hapa. Hey, acha ni Google. Si Google hapa inaweza nipea tu niteketeke process.
But anyway, for those who are able to see my charts, wacha nione kama naweza zoom in.
Basi jaribu kuonyesha, nikijaribu kuangalia huku hiyo nini.
So guys, if you go to the 30 minutes time frame, we have a very good fair value gap on the 30 minutes time frame. Also, if you go on the 15 minutes time frame, we have a a fair value gap inside a fair value gap. We have an inverse fair value gap. So probably let's wait for the market to react inside this fair value gap. So if price comes, taps the fair value gap, then gives us a bearish engulfing candlestick, we are going to go in on sell. So do not sell where price is right now. Let me give you a structure with clear details on gold. So we are looking for shorts. When price taps the fair value gap, we're going to watch the reaction of price at that zone. Okay, so if it gives us a bearish engulfing candlestick, what do? We are going to take our sells from 40.37. Always wait for reaction first. Do not just jump in when price taps the zone. Okay, our stop loss will be around 40.52, because if price breaks 40.52, then it is a change. It will be a change of structure. All right, so we've said we are targeting 39. What did you say is our target? We are targeting 39.53. Okay, that is where we are targeting price to go. So this is on the charts. We have a look. Yeah, we said we are targeting 39.53. So come to 1 hour, 30 minutes. Yes, I'm going to share this signal in the trading community. I'm going to post it for you guys. I don't know how many people are able to see the charts.
Yo kitu walai sioni kabisa. Lakini wanaona charts.
Wanaona charts.
Wanaona, kama mimi naona lazima wanaona. Ukiwaambia tu time frame.
This is going to be my entry. This is my entry point, 40.36. All right, so we are waiting for price to come to this zone before I can enter the sells. Stop loss, put it at 40.52. Then our TP, our full TP is 39.53. That is where we are targeting. Fessie nipe hata capital. Hakuna investor atakupea capital unless ujaribu binary. Hao binary ndio wako na capital ya kupea.
By the way, wa binary wanapeananga. Guys, ukiona tu mtu anakupea pesa free, ni say likelihood ni trap anakuwekea akuibie. But binary nasikia unaweza tumua ka 2k, 4k.
Now deposit on the same platform. Now ukose kutoa. Eti umesema ni ngapi? For people who are looking for sales in the market, this is the structure 4037. Price should hit 4037 before you sell. Okay. So we are going to sell from 4037. That will be 50% of the 30 minutes fair value gap. So a reaction to that zone. Our stop loss is right above the area of interest where price held for a few hours before dropping low. So that is 40.52. We've put our stop loss at 40.52. Okay. Then I've given out the full TP. The full TP is 40.53. That is the structure of our entry today. Let me put it like that because let me expand. I'm sharing in the Telegram community right now. So if you are in my Telegram community, you're going to get this signal right now. So the full TP is 39.52. So our saying is scammers kumbe. No, you just try your luck. Maybe it will work for you. Let me share this screenshot in the free Telegram community. This is 1 hour time frame. Okay. Okay.
Looks ni gold, Bitcoin am on sales.
Let me take a screenshot and share with you guys. Yeah. Let me post it in my Telegram community right now. Come on, TG, you're going to get this setup right away. And I'm writing today's XAUUSD entry. Yes, I've already shared in the Telegram community. But I don't know who is not in. Yeah, I've already shared in the community. You can't say that you are not in. So that is where I'm going to look for myself.
Medelo gold kaita shuka pia inaweza peana pips kibao kama jana. So guys, Bitcoin is back at our entry zone. So when you enter a trade, there are only two outcomes. You are either going to hit your stop loss or your target. You are either going to hit your stop loss or your target. This is BTCUSD. I'm on sales, I'm on sales. Let me try and zoom. Guys, will we hit our SL today? Price
no,
we are
haiwezi hit SL na bado iko hapo kwa zone. Si iko tu kwa zone.
Iko kwa zone. But ona ni kama inajaribu kureact na if ya value gap ya around 65 yenye kwa hadi 65 but lazima tu either react iende positive ama ikuipande hivyo kidogo itrap wase alafu irudi.
Mimi na shida mimi already niko na account hapa ya 3,700. That is roughly kitu kama $5,000. So nataka kuingia 0.5 entries ngapi? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. Nataka kuingia like 20 entries. So ikirudi hadi 65 379 bado naongezea entries. That is on BTCUSD. So if it continues going up, I'm adding sell entries.
Nice.
But yesterday was a good day for us.
Yeah.
Wale wenye tulitrade BTCUSD muliona the same way. Wale wenye tulitrade gold muliona outcome.
Tuliua market.
Yeah, so today this is the setup for XAU USD. Stop loss and TP. Sensei JK, unataka stop loss na TP ya BTCUSD ama unataka ya XAU USD? Because I'm seeing gold is going to the fair value gap. It's going to the fair value gap. We'll see the reaction from there. There's no rush. Ya BTCUSD. Hebu mpe stop loss na TP ya BTCUSD.
Wameke stop loss 64,617. I mean 65,617. TP weka 64,800. So labda react na hiyo swing ya 65,400 na reverse, but still the price is just around our entry zone. Can just wait for now.
Ninja trader.
Hey.
So guys, I've already shared shared the entry on Telegram, so if you're not in the community, then that is on you. But I've already posted on Telegram. That is a free signal for Friday. Good morning.
Bitcoin, I'm holding sales, but they are starting to become risky. Hata simu imekataa ku simu itaki kuwazumia.
Mesha request. Me request. So. Okay, haya, ina shida sana kutumia. Stop loss ya lax italambwa. Nimepeana tu where we are going to enter. But we are going to enter when you watch two factors. Number one, we need price to tap that zone. See a rejection, and then we see a bearish engulfing candlestick, then that is when we enter. I think I explained everything very clearly. It is not that you just have to jump on an entry because you've seen an entry. Okay. So that is why I've told you we are going. Usiweke sell limit 4033 Bethany. You're going to suffer. Remove your entry hapo 4033. Juu itatap sahi na inataka haijaingia hata kwa fair value gap. Price needs to enter inside the fair value gap.
Mi ishani lamba. Ime react from your fair value gap ya chini. So niko sure itaenda hadi kwa next OB. So ni kungoja kuchukulia price huko juu 65,754. But after reaction ya bearish. Gold shafika hiyo zone ulikuwa unangoja?
Bado. Bado. Iko 4034 sahi. Kuna mtu amesema alikuwa ameweka sijui limit 4033. You're going to suffer. You wait first for price to tap inside a fair value gap. Iliatie kwa fair value gap. Inakimbia 20. Yes, very nice. Yeah, BTCUSD niko sawa.
Mimi na float kwa drawdown na.
Mimi sasa ndo add entries za fiti sasa za kutoka hiyo zone.
By the kama 1H inaunda top weka, inaweza kuwa sniper entries VZ. Juu bado kuna fair value gap za 1H hapo juu. So sijui kama itareact kwa hiyo fair value gap. But ikireact from hapo, hii ya chini sasa this time ita close below it.
Shut up limit. No, mimi sikuambia mtu aweke limit. Nimewaambia ngojea price react inside the fair value gap. After reacting itupatie bearish engulfing candlestick. After imetupea bearish engulfing candlestick, that is when we can enter. Sawa. Did I say so? That is what I said. So don't be in a rush. Mimi mwenyewe sijaingia hiyo entry because I'm waiting for the reaction inside the fair value gap. Okay.
Ikishapeana hiyo bearish engulfing ndo confirmation.
Yes, hiyo ndio confirmation ya sells. So just wait for price to react. Bado ni mapema. Wacha pressure mingi. It's too early. What is the best capital to start with? Okay, 500 USD. Which time frame is this? Right now, on BTC I'm on gold, because on gold niko kwa 1H. I'm on the 1 hour time frame. That is the 30 minutes time frame. Imebakisha 7 minutes close, so there is no rush. 15 minutes time frame here the same. So I'm looking for a rejection inside this fair value gap. Sawa. Then ikisha react inside this fair value gap, it gives us a bearish engulfing, then we enter. That is what I am looking for. Okay, that is what I am looking for. So kwa gold bado hatujaingia, nitawaambia inapanda alafu ishuke. Yes, that is what it is basically doing. It is now manipulating buyers to buy. Mimi nimefinya BTCUSD naona inarudi.
Bitcoin bado haijafikia sell hata sasa hii, karibu inafika tena kwa entries. Na uje kiacha wiki uko juu imereact from 1H fair value gap.
Kuna point of interest kwa 1 hour.
So guys, floating on drawdown is very normal. Getting a sell are very normal.
Na kwani kuna mtu anaogopa kuita sell? Kwani hapo ana trade na proper risk management? Big share is a motivation enough to keep winning. Yeah guys, you should win. Always win. That is the goal of why we are always here. Win. Always win.
Yeah.
Festo kuna drawdown ya ngapi? Si drawdown kubwa. I mean, drawdown yenye niko nayo ni kama a quarter of my account size. So, tunaingia hapa after hitting a sell. Umehit a sell kwa which pair?
Kama asha kula, lakini Friday kwangi sikupoa sana ya kutrade.
But nani amehit a sell because entries bado zina run. Sijaona yenye imehit a sell.
Ni kama anasema like sell yake imekuwa individually.
Normalize taking at 10 a.m.
Hitting a stop loss, naambia so long as you have calculated for that risk, it won't affect any your psychology. You will be very okay to continue trading. But since today is Friday, najua Friday kwangi the best of the days of trading. A lot of manipulation orders, hakuna orders zinataka zibaki kwa market. So also trade minimally, usi overtrade leo.
Price is actually inside the fair value gap, so let's watch for a reaction. I'm looking for a bearish engulfing candlestick before I can sell. A very good one. Well, alikuwa na trend huko NGC. By the way, we should now take people like we're looking for people like Festas who are out to go and teach people to trade real forex, not lifestyle being sold to people.
Very nice.
So we should request a video with we need to request one video with Ali, presenter Ali. Cheza long game jamaa, buy gold USD. It's money.
Cheza long game. Hey, sasa utaanza utapai hapo weke stop loss ya 1000 pips.
Ndio umesema nicheze long game. Now guys, money follow YouTube. Go to YouTube and search for International School of Forex. Menta anafanya nini comment section? Yeah, first I should make one with presenter Ali. Let me organize that. I will organize that. You're going to see him there.
Guys, today is Friday, last trading day. of the week.
Kuna trade ya BTCUSD na bado kuna trade ya XAUUSD.
Yeah. So gold mnangojea a reaction, bearish reaction ndo muingie, but we'll get the confirmation. Bitcoin, they were still sell limit orders, so they were activated. So we are just holding the trades since we have our stop losses and our targets.
Do not have a rush to enter. Kama hujaona bearish engulfing, no rush to enter.
Don't be in a hurry. Don't be in a hurry.
Yeah, our entry point is still 4036, but I need to see a bearish engulfing candlestick from a rejection inside. M1 imetupatia rejection ingine though, wacha nione, there is no rush.
Ama uanze uteremke to M5. Si hapo unaweza pata entry mbio.
No, M5 imetupea wiki ingine ya sweep, imetupea hammer.
Oh.
So M1 ndio yenye iko na hiyo bearish. So you can now place your sell limit orders at 4036. Place your sell limit orders at 4036. The stop loss is 4052. Sawa.
Guys, mmesikia ama rudie? Sirudie mara jamo. 4036.
Niwaambia wanaweka sell limit zao 4036, stop loss 4052. Guys. Sawa.
Sema hapo tuko chonjo.
Yeah, place your sell limit 4036. Stop loss nimesema ni 4052, 4052.27. That is the stop loss. And then our take profit is 39.52. No, that is gold, XAUUSD. At hiyo stop loss haki, use proper risk management.
Use proper, unaweka angalia lot, unaweza hata lot ya 0.01 moja. But that means hautakuwa stopped out easily.
You want a tight stop loss. A tight stop loss might be taken out kama entry yako haijaenda direction yako. Thank God imerudi wa Bethany alikuwa ameshaingia sales 4034, alikuwa anapiga nduru. Bethany.
Oh, za nini za gold.
Nimewambia weka sell limit 4036. Usifinyie sell pali market, usikuwe na pressure, usikuwe na tamaa, market haikuachi. Weka tu sell limit 4036. That is it. Sawa, weka sell limit 4036. Usiwahi kuwa na pressure. Wacha niwatumie tena Telegram. Watu wangapi wamesubscribe kwa YouTube? Go to YouTube and subscribe to the channel. That is International School of Forex. You will see International School of Forex.
And book with ease. Download the app today.
So in my trading community, I've sent right now the sell limits, the stop loss, and TP. We are going to hold this thing for long. Na sioni reactions za watu kwa trading community. Kwani am I talking to myself? You guys can't even react. I want to see reactions. Ndio nijue watu wako active. Nilienda kutoa sell limit na pata isha hit. Pole Bethany. How you took the trade too early. Some to consider 40-40. That is on gold. I'm talking about gold. On BTC we are still on. Guys, I need to see reactions on Telegram. Ndio nijue I'm talking to an active community, not bots. Tuko mzee nimekaza, tuko on. Lucas Kinyo, very nice. Watu wa like live na wa share. Like and share the live. Ndatafutia kila mtu ya chai. The top 3 tappers. Like and share the live. Naona tu mtu mmoja ndiye ameenda amesubscribe YouTube. Wengine hamunitaki. Animation, you are looking for buys. Congratulations, bro. YouTube ni International School of Forex. That is on YouTube, International School of Forex.
In this video, we'll show you how to set up the Pro platform on your iPhone.
Okay. International School of Forex. This is the name and this is how it looks like. Just go and search it and follow. For more educative videos, I have some good videos I've done for you. Go through them if you want to grow yourself psychologically. Master your trading emotions. Dragonfly Doji, naona hiyo stop loss yote. Kwani nyinyi huwa mna trade aje? Kwani nyinyi udu? Kwani nyinyi udu? Kwani nyinyi udu? Unalalamika stop loss. What do you guys do? Well, BTC sells. Yes, we are in on BTC sells also. On gold, I'm waiting for it to tap 40.36. That is where my sell limit is there. Nimeshaituma kwa Telegram community. Just go and check. Kama uko na account na una confidence. If you have an account and you don't have the confidence to trade, I am here. Just send me your MT5 logins on WhatsApp or on TikTok. Ni amatonka. No, use proper risk management. We are not looking to sell short term. We are looking to sell long term. Leo gold inaweza tupea more than 1,000 pips again. So be careful. Manu 97, DM me, I'm going to talk to you. Here's what's coming. Yeah, guys, at least go and subscribe on my YouTube Nifike 300. Just subscribe. We are at 224. Watu 220 wako hapa, kila mtu akisubscribe nafika 300. And then I drop for you another video with presenter Ali. Sawa. Ukinifikisha 500 na drop video na presenter Ali. Chatuone. So now gold is reacting inside the fair value gap. Gold is reacting inside the fair value gap. Haya. 40.36. 40.36. $39.52. Haya, wangapi their gold is on? Hizo vida YouTube ziko fit. Pick up charge. Thank you. Kuna buy stops mob hapo juu. You just place your trade alafu relax. Usiwahi kuwa na pressure. Take your trade responsibly. Use proper risk management. Okay, but for me, my sell limit has already been activated. So I don't know with you guys, but mine ishakuwa activated. Yeah, mine has already been activated. Ya nani bado haijakuwa activated, niliingia cells. Very nice. Bro, mimi nimebaya hadi 40-50 ndio nitoke. Okay, sawa. Nimeingia mapema ji. No. Nimeingia mapema ji, iko tu sawa. Sijaingia mapema, it is just okay. Acha nione. Kuna mtu amenitumia hapa account. Acha nione. Yeah, kuna mtu amenitumia account ya 500 USD. Sawa, let me push it for you. Acha ningoje irudi hapo nikuwekee. Trade responsibly. Use proper risk management. All right. Uliingia 40.35. Okay. Ndio naona entry haiko mbaya. The entry is not bad. Kama nyinyi mnaona, I don't see the entry is bad. Ati umesema YouTube yako ni gani? My YouTube is International School of Forex. International School of Forex. For those people who are looking for my YouTube, this is my YouTube. Here it is. International School of Forex, guys. This is the name. Kindly, let's get it to 300. At least mkifika 500 ni drop video moja na presenter Ali. Right now it is 225 and these are the videos that I've done for you so far. So have a look. TP ni ngapi? TP nimesema ni 39.52. That is the TP, 39.52.
Uko ndani pia?
Mimi niko ndani. Nisha activate hata ndio imerudi kwa zone sasa.
Oh, nice. cha tu hold tuone zitaenda aje. Hadi mimi bado na hold tu.
Ya kuna mtu amenitumia hapa account ya 5 so acha ni nini?
Uweke orders.
Ingie entries. So your accounts, there's someone who has just sent me these accounts, 500 USD. Could it be going? No, you don't see price is reacting inside a fair value gap. Actually, it's an inverse fair value gap because it's a fair value gap inside a fair value gap. And on the 15 minutes and on the 30 minutes time frame, okay? And even on the 1 hour time frame, it's still a fair value gap inside a fair value gap. Yeah, sales ni 4036, niko on 120 nifungue ngapi? 120. 120 tumia tu 0.02 ama 0.01. Si over leverage account yako. For as long as margin yako ina stay above 300%. Always make sure when you are trading every time your margin is above 300% when you take the entries. Is it advisable to layer when in profit? There are things that you need to watch out before you do layering. Sawa. Before you layer an entry, you need to see something happening in the market. Huu ni nani anakuja kutujazia hapa comment section na vitu za ujinga?
Mute, yeah.
Very likely. And you see the way the market is behaving. Ilitaka 4036. Though mnajua ijaenda sana but inarejea tu hapo. But we are still on. We are still on. Mimi sijaingia entry kubwa kabisa, nimeingia na proper risk management, that is 0.1.
Ya tuone karibu nini volume ya London inaingia kwa market.
Yeah. Let me tell you one thing. If you ever tell yourself that you're going to take an entry at a specific zone, do not change because at market ilikuja ikatapa hiyo zone na ikaenda. Wewe pia weka sell limit yako tena hapo, ngoje price lazima itarudi. Price will always come back. Sawa guys, price will always come back to your zone.
Na Friday market ikianza kuanguka ile kubwa kupatanga nini ngumu, kupatanga entry na kwanga ngumu.
Inafaa zuri hivyo. So kama mimi the entries that I'm going to take on these accounts, since stop loss yangu inakula 160 USD and it is a $500 account, I'm going to do 3 entries of 0.1. So that is how I'm going to trade. 3 entries of 0.1. It's always advisable to layer when in profit. Hiyo nimekwambia 40-40 consider. Bro, strategy ni gani unatumia? Number 1. If I put it to perspective, right now gold is just bearish overall. So we are not looking for buys, we are looking for sells. Number 2, we expect Trump to say something today about Iran and we expect Iran to respond. So probably that will raise more tensions and we're going to see these pairs dumping more. So tunangojea tu tweet ya Trump. Siku hizi hatungojei ya Netanyahu amepotea.
Walimwambia watamshika. Walianza kumtishia kumshika, inabidi amelei low.
Niko nigongesha makende hapa kwa ukuta sai kings hizo. Okay. Chela utani bro, strategy ni gani unatumia? Ndio, it is very simple. I've already shared on YouTube. Hauja subscribe, kumbe bado huja subscribe to my YouTube. And I've given you, nimewambia, this is the YouTube channel. It is called International School of Forex. What you're going to do, just go search it, subscribe, and make sure you've watched all these videos. I'm watching to see your comments if the videos are going to help you. If we get to 500 subscribers, I'm going to drop a video with Present Ali. Hapo mtaogelea niko 150 pips up. No worries, it is good.
Kama anaunda maziwa, very nice.
The goal is to make money. The goal is to make money. So unaona hiyo account yenye nimetumiwa, nimeingia ndio hii. Yeah, it's called International School of Forex. Najua kuna mtu sasa akiona kitu kama $10 anataka ku close $20. No, always be patient. The market will just play out. First us umegotewa. BTC yetu entry, BTC is just okay.
Bitcoin we are still holding, it's slightly above our entry, so we are holding but in drawdown. But the setup is still valid.
Kwa nini unataka kuitwa scammer kings hizo? You want to scam? Wewe usijali, ujue hata uscam watu kose kuscam bado utakuwa tu scam, usijali. For as long as you are doing something that other people can't do. Now we on 231 subs. I just subscribed. Thank you. Let's go. Let's keep pushing, guys. 500 subscribers. Leo hata munifikishe 300 basi. How do you manage an account? If you send me your MT5 logins, ukiwa umeweka 500 USD, I'm going to calculate the number of pips that we need. How many trades are we going to take in the account? Then I'm going to take the entry according to my strategy. I make profits. You're going to send me 50%. Sawa. You're going to send me 50%. Any broker, yes. You just send me the MT5. See, number yangu iko kwa bio. Ni WhatsApp tu na details. Ama ni text, whatever, TikTok ama Telegram. Kama ni account management, ingia tu kwa WhatsApp, andika account management to my MT5 logins. The rest don't worry about. See, we are trading live and I'm going to trade your account live here. Yeah, gold running some good pips. Yeah, gold is running some good pips. Account unachukua ikiwa na ngapi minimum? John UK, just drop me a text tuongee WhatsApp. Alex, na ukiblow na trade na risk management, sita blow account. We have to take a couple of trades before account you blow. So I'm using proper risk management. Waiting for it at 40.29 invite. Mose FX niko nayo $10. How is that? No, $10 miss easy trade. Hello guys, my account inasema iko locked on the server. Issue ni gani? You are using the wrong server details. Either umechukua okay, pale umeenda kusearch jina ya broker kwa MT5, kuna yenye ulifaa uselect, so sio hiyo, ndo maana inasema locked because you are using the wrong sub. Guys, do you know how many pips are those? Guys, do you know how many pips are these? Wajua ni pips ngapi? Relax, wacha ni inbox. Sawa, most FX, no problem. If you are running in losses, just join my Telegram community. Ingia live yako, waambie hivyo. Bethany ni ngapi? We are running some good pips. Nani anajua kucalculate pips za gold? Hebu acha nione leo kama niko na wanafunzi sharp. Who knows how to calculate pips in gold? Who knows? Nani anajua kucalculate the number of pips on gold?
Yeah.
1 point equals 10 pips. Should we take out sales? No, okay, sales ni hadi 40.36. Just wait for price to come back to 40.36. That is the selling zone. I use a measurement tool. Okay, 50 pips, good. Yeah, ilikuwa imeenda 50 pips. 1 point equals 10 pips. Una round off. Byron Wabren. Hebu acha nione. Hizo ni 4. Ai, 4. Wewe kwani una calculate aje? Just know that different pairs are calculated differently. Okay? A pair like Euro USD is not calculated the same way as XAU USD. A pair like BTC is not calculated the same way as gold. Look, swatch and inbox, okay? The 43 pips, ilikuwa imeenda 50 pips. From 40.30 to 40.31, it's 10 pips. Continue. But tulikuwa tumeingia 40.36. Na ilikuwa imeshuka to around 40.30. Acha nikwambie ilikuwa imeshuka to 40.30 watts. Ilikuwa imeshuka to 40.31 from 40.36. So how many pips are those?
What's up, everybody?
Oga Obina the top 50 pips, bro. Yes, it was 50 pips. Now nimeona you guys are very sharp. You guys are very sharp. But I'm not motivated. I'm going to drop for you guys another video on YouTube.
Very nice, very nice. Mimi nakula hapa tu machungwa tule atunanga mbegu.
Weka energy. Add more energy.
Mawe lazima iwekwe.
Kabisa.
Guys, it is Friday.
Kuna mtu anasema naona market ikigo bullish anytime soon. You know, mimi najua mbona watu wengi wanataka market ibuy. Mnasema market imesell sana. Na hiyo si strategy. That is not a strategy, guys. Rico, unasema watu kama hao ndio liquidity. Na wataishi kukua tu liquidity.
Okay, blink mambo inaweza kuboilia.
but I thought I was the only one selling BTC today.
On a
A
same,
lot of people are selling BTC.
we have the same analysis. So ni either tuchapwe kama liquidity sweeps or we hit our targets.
You know how difficult it is just to get a mentor coming online and trading with you guys live. Na ana trade account yake. It is very hard. Sijui kama watu washai realize hiyo kitu.
Ngumu vizi.
Most traders even won't show you what they are doing.
So a new 1H is opening. Gold iko aje?
Gold iko tu sawa, iko tu 40, iko hapo 40.36.
Oh nice. Lazima retest, alafu ikianza kuenda ni one way.
Mose, mnataka kuniliquidate? Yes, tutakuliquidate bro. Nice.
Kwani market haina enough liquidity ya kushuka?
Ina range mpaka saa 4, wacha tuone saa 4 ndio inaanza saa hii. Naweza tupea mufiti saa 4.
Acha tuitegee tuone. Wa BTCUSD. Then sasa London is officially opening.
Tuingie sales ama? Yes. On gold, enter the sales. One hour kwanza imefungua vizuri na create week alafu tushuke. H1 is creating a week, ina react tena kwa hiyo fair piga 1 hour tena tushuke. Very nice. Wacha niende bullish kama mbaya najiaminia. Sawa champe.
Kama very nice. Mimi usema eri market ni stop out lakini nime trade na general trend.
Yeah.
So currently it's around half ya YSL. But it is still a running trade.
Yeah, for trading mswaya ongea kama you own it. Yeah, okay.
It's a running trade.
Mastermind. Good morning, Mastermind. I love the good thing is that when you're trading with many people, you can't miss to see anything in the market because kila mtu anaona something. So that is the good point. At the end of the day, we need to make money. So you guys, we need to make money at the end of the day. Ama mnaonaje?
Hii ya leo naye naona nikiwa stopped out. Guys,
Bethany, what's up?
Today we might be stopped out because the 1H ili close bullish. The last 1H may close bullish inside the fair value gap. So I am not expecting this to survive. So if we get another entry, tutaingia tena stream. Gold iko aje? Huko Bitcoin hii.
Iko tu sawa. Gold iko agenda, iko hapo kwa entry point bado.
Oh, ame Bitcoin hii imenilamba. 1H ili close vibaya.
Huko juu.
Tangojo uko juu kabisa. Sema ni mbaya. Guys, the 1H has closed, but it has not favored us. They close inside a bullish FVG. So that means the fair value gap imekuwa, it won't hold price. So we just accept the loss.
But haijahit sell bado.
Bado. Bajiko kitu like spike tu moja. Itataka sasa iende hadi kwa OB ya 65700.
Watu wa sell limit mkoaje? We are still on, tuko poa. Watu wa sell limit tuko poa. Uza dhahabu, tunauza dhahabu. Yes, tell them we are selling gold.
Inaitwa Friday. Always expect a lot of manipulation during Fridays. Juu hakuna orders and so nataka zibaki nje ya market.
Acha niweke simu hapo muangalie ndio muone. Unajua kuna watu wana feel ni kama Lux Papa hapa BTC inakaa noma.
And ni noma sahi. But there's nothing big you can do. Meaning they already risked, calculated everything. So it's close to my ESL. So wacha broker afanye kazi yake.
The Champagne amesema ikishinda kupita hapo anashuka.
Shida niyo 1H venye ili close ndani ya fair value gap. So ndo tukue positive na sales. Inafaa hii 1H next ya saa hii iunde week na ikue bearish engulfing. Ikifanya hivyo tutashuka.
Yeah, did you take a sell? Yeah, if you are not in on a sell, you can add a sell there. Watu wenye wana trade. Ati umesema watu wana trade nini?
So for Bitcoin, in case itawaesela, tutangoja tuone bearish structure shift kwa higher time frame. So kitu kama minute 30 ama 1 hour. From there tutaingia tena sales.
Me I'm already on. Mimi niko on already. Sijui kama watu wanaona screen yangu. I don't know if people are able to see my screen. Sijui niweke wapi.
So we are almost typing SL heater. Very close to typing SL heater. There we go.
Stop loss yangu iko mbali sana.
Mimi niko almost almost $120. So stop loss has been hit from our early sell entries. So let me type on the group stop loss hit.
SL is still very far from being hit. SL yetu iko mbali sana kukua hit, so there is no rush, there is no pressure.
So guys, we just wait for sell confirmation, then we take more sell.
Mimi I can never be your liquidity. I can never be your liquidity, bro. I can never. Sijidanganye. Don't make yourself proud thinking that I'm your liquidity. I'm never your liquidity, my guy. So, I can never be your liquidity. That is my entry and that is my stop loss. Here. You see where my stop loss is? Are you able to see where my stop loss is? I've not hit my stop loss. So just be patient, guys.
Guys on the stream, sini hivyo. Let us end the stream. Tungoje tukipata another entry we will come back.